How to check last online on Roblox mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can check last online on Roblox mobile. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Roblox in your device and here, using the search bar, search for the player's username. Once you search for their player's username, there you will see green dot in their profile. That means they are active now. But Roblox does not have a features to display last online time anymore for the regular users in the friend list. It was removed for some privacy reasons. So in order to check the last online, you can go through their profile and look at their game badge, their favorites or their creations or the friend list. So here navigate to one of your friends' profile and under their profile you can search for their game badge, see if any recent game badge were earned, or look at their favorites or creations and if they have newly updated things or not. Also you can check on their friend list if you're already friend with them. And sometimes the last added friends hint their activity. So if they recently changed their avatar or some of their game favorites, then that means they are likely online very recently. So Roblox does not have a direct built-in feature to display last online time for the users. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.